With the end of Stranger Things on the horizon, let's talk about how different this show almost was. First off, something that is pretty common knowledge at this point is that the show originally wasn't even called Stranger Things. The original title was Montauk, and the show was actually going to be set in Montauk, New York, not Hawkins, Indiana. So why Montauk? Because the Duffers love conspiracy theories, and Montauk is the home of one of the biggest ones, the Montauk Project, alleged secret government experiments in the late 70s and early 80s, time travel, psychic kids, basically the blueprint for Stranger Things. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In the early version, the show wasn't going to follow the kids at all. The Duffers were planning a found footage horror series shot from the POV of scientists studying the only surviving test subject. Think Cloverfield, but Stranger Things apparently. Eventually they realized they wanted to build an ensemble cast focusing on the children in the cast, and the script was changed. And then they hit a huge problem. They couldn't actually film in Montauk. So the Duffers had to rename the entire show, and they were stuck between two titles. Indigo, which is what they were going to call the secret government experiment, or Stranger Things. And here's the hilarious part. They picked Stranger Things simply because it looked cooler as a title. They literally mocked up a fake Stephen King book cover with different names, and Stranger Things was the one that popped. Other rejected names, The Keep, The Nether, The Tesseract, Wormland, Wormhole. Yeah, imagine Stranger Things being called Wormland. I don't know, Stranger Things seems perfect to me. It ended up working out perfect.